Good morning, you all. A big welcome to my channel. So, this is my very first video where I'll be sharing with you my morning routine. So, I wake up around 8:30, which I know that it's not really an ideal time for waking up, but it is what it is. So, I try to catch up with all my social medias and stuff. That's why I go on phone immediately after waking up. It is not a good habit, kids. Just don't go for it. Just don't fall for it. So I pretty much sit up and I try to stretch in order to wake myself up. I know this is a struggle every morning I face. So I again go on my phone to check most probably my messages and stuffs that gather around the night. Bright light really helps me to wake up in the morning and I feel really boosted and pumped up, and my mood is all light because of the bright sunlight that comes through my window every morning. So after waking up, the thing I do is I make my bed every single day because I believe that making my bed makes me feel productive, as well as I don't have the audacity to hop on into that beautiful bed just after making it. I mean, I just don't want to ruin it. So here's my blue unicorn. I just love how the sun rays just fall on my window, and this is my favorite place that I go after I wake up in the morning.
She calls me day and night.
So, like everyone, I just go and brush my teeth in the morning and just splash some water on my face in order to wake myself up.
Maybe I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If
With my
everything
little fluff, he is such a cute thing, and every morning after waking up, I just go on to him because without seeing him, I can't let my day start. And look at him, he's so cute and he's so soft. Oh, that touch is mesmerizing, guys. Just get a cat if you don't. So, after just playing with my cat or whatever, I just believe in drinking lemon water each and every day. That water just makes me feel so much hydrated in the morning and also makes me feel detoxified. So I just make this water warm in the microwave for a minute or so and then squeeze a lemon into it. And yeah, that's pretty much about my lemon water. I'm not really into drinking tea or coffee in the morning. I know this is a very, very weird thing that you might find, but yeah, it is what it is, and I think that lemon water is a healthy thing for me. This is not what I do every day, but I do it pretty much like 2 or 3 times a week. That is, I do journaling. And I think making the morning more productive is by writing your thoughts down of a past couple of days that you felt. If you felt overwhelmed or mesmerized or anything, if you're depressed, I think the journaling is the best habit that you could get a hand on because it really helps you to write all those things down, and you might not be able to share things even with your close friends or your parents. So here it is. journaling, where no one is there to judge you, but yet you get to share something, some of your thoughts, and feel lightened up by venting away all those thoughts that you were gambling and gathering through your mind. Journaling really helped me to overcome all those depressing thoughts, and previously I used to feel very unmotivated or like I used to feel alone, but journaling really helped me in so many ways, and I cannot recommend you enough to get hold of this habit, because I think that this is the healthiest habit a person should get a hold on to. And here's me drinking my lemon water while writing out or venting my life down and ranting about all the silly things that might came in my mind. Now I strongly believe in just setting goals for the day or making a timetable. This really helps me to work my hectic day through. Now next, hopping onto the breakfast. So here I'm making bread and a boiled egg, and this is pretty much what I have every day for my bread. Just maybe I add a banana, or I use like I eat omelette instead of a boiled egg. So here is the montage of me making my bread toast. So enjoy. So I'm taking my breakfast to my room where I would like to sit down and enjoy my breakfast. By catching on some work, I would like to check my meals, or just catch on with some work that I would like to do, or just check on if I have any pending works to do. And after checking that, I would start a YouTube video and watch it while I'm eating my breakfast. Whether be it lunch or breakfast, I would like to watch something while eating, because that is a habit that I had gripped on from my very childhood, and it's really a bad habit. I must not encourage you to have this habit, but I enjoy it and I specifically don't find it that much harmful, so I think it's okay.
Hey guys, so this pretty much wraps my whole morning routine, and I hope you like this video. So don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and do subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated. And since this is my very first video, I'm absolutely sorry if there was anything that went wrong, and do let me know if you find anything like I may improve. Like, constructive criticism is always welcome, and since I believe it from the very bottom of my heart that I'm quite a quick learner, so I believe that I will be able to learn fast for your motivation. Like, I need your motivation for that, right? So please do like if you like this, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and let me know in the comment section if you want to watch more such videos or anything that is in your mind, because I'm very new to this genre. So now I'll just go and log on to my office, because it's right now 9:56 and I have to log on within 10 for my office. So yeah, now I'll just start working, and this is pretty much what I do every morning before just doing that hectic, getting on with that hectic day. So yeah, keep on watching.